Hey everybody, it's November 15th, Friday. Let's look at the wave count. We have three possible wave counts. We have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 already completed. And now we are in a much bigger correction. This is the very first possibility. I'll let you stare at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be a possibility if there is some type of news event related to the Trump administration. We could end up seeing a much bigger correction. The market did not like some of Trump's appointments. The pharmaceutical industry did not like Trump's appointments yesterday for RFK. So they were dropping. Anything can happen. We got to keep our options open. I don't think this is the case, but let's think. You can't go long. You cannot go short. You cannot go long. You cannot go short because we have no clue what's going on. Right? Right. No longs, no shorts. All right. Now let's look at the next possible count. The next possible count is the two bullish counts. The two bullish counts is let me think here. Wave 1. Wait, actually I think it's this for the two bullish counts. Wave 1, and then we have 1, 2, 3. For the record, I think we're going a little bit too low on this fourth wave for it to be this count now. But this could be it too. We could just be in a little fourth wave and we could take off today and go to new highs. This could also be a possibility. There is no way of knowing right now. There is no way of knowing. At the end of this video, I will give you what I think is going to happen and the safe trade. I will give you the safe trade at the end of the video. So that's the second option. And then the third option is this. The third option is that we're doing like a wave 2 on a very bullish count. Very, very bullish count. So that would be wave 1. See this? Wave 2, wave 1, and wave 2. Get this rid of. So this would be the super bullish count. This would take us like to 6,500 and beyond. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, up. So which count is it going to be? Here, let me show you the DAX, the Germany 40 DAX. Here's something I think. The DAX on the 15-minute chart. If we get a wave 5 here, if this high is taken out on the DAX, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will have our first impulse wave followed by an A, B, C, followed by another impulse wave. Correct? Correct. If this high on the DAX is taken out, then I think that the probability is that the market has bottomed in this current correction and the market will go straight up for the S&P. That's why I watched the DAX. Now, let's look at the S&P. This is the ES mini futures. This is the 15-minute chart. You can see here, this could be AB. It looks like some type of ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe another little low here, and then we take off. You know, you can't buy on the low. Buying on the low is very risky. If you want to be super risky, you can buy at 900, okay? But I do not recommend you do that. Okay, so if the DAX does 5 waves up and the S&P is at 900 and looks okay and not crashing down, then okay, you might be able to buy at 900, right? Right. But that is very high risk trade. You're on your own with that. It is a very high risk trade. The completely no risk trade is to wait. This is the ES futures. It's actually 6009. 6009 going long above 6009 is the zero risk trade. No risk to you whatsoever if you go long upon an upside breach of 6009. And then the second option is just see if you get an impulse wave up here. If you can get, if the DAX gets 5 wave up move, right? And then the S&P goes something like this, right? And then maybe it will go down a little, then you can take out that high, right? If the DAX has that 5 waves. So if the DAX gets 5 waves up, if the S&P rebounds in 5 waves and then goes down, you can grab it up here. You know, it will probably be quite fast, so just you'll have to grab it quickly and then hope and then put your stop down below this number, whatever the low was. Okay? But only if the DAX gets 5 waves move up. All right? So that's the plan. So you have 3 options. The high risk trade is that if DAX gets 5 waves moves up and 900 is holding on the S&P, you blindly go long at 900. That is extremely high risk. Second high risk is waiting for an up move and then trying to get it when it goes down and back up. That's the second high risk. And the zero risk trade is 6009. There you go. That's your market update. I'll update a little bit more on Twitter when I get put call data. Bye.